What we're gonna do is a visual condition report. So we're gonna look for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections, and just do an overall evaluation for you. So starting with the front right wheel, and actually to notate first, all 4 tires are brand new. Those were just installed. So looking at the wheel and some of the corners, you're gonna see a little buildup there, a little corrosion. But otherwise, that wheel looks good. I don't see any curb rash. Brand new tires. Now you're gonna have a couple little rock chips, all very minor. 2 small ones there, little chip there. Looking at that A-pillar, got a little chip here. The rest of that looks awesome. That mirror looks good. We do have a little scratch here. Couple small chips here. There's a few more there. See 2 more small ones there. A couple up on that top side. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. A couple scratches on that inner lip in there, probably from mounting tires. And looking at this top, this thing looks pretty much perfect. It looks amazing. All right, looking at this marker light, looks really good. That one's nice and clear. Gonna have a couple rock chips every once in a while here on the hood. Typical little swirls and scuffs from everyday washing. See a couple little scuffs. Got a few small chips here and there. Otherwise, that hood looks good. Now this front bumper has a bracket on it, and if you look in there, the screws have rubbed through the paint, and it looks like it indented the bumper as well. So this may have been bumped at some point, and there's a little indentation on that bumper. You put a bracket on like this though, it'll look really nice. A little scratch there. Typical little rock impacts on the front. All very minor though. That sticker looks good. And that front end is just really, really clean. Got a rock chip here. And check out this engine bay. All these stickers look pretty much perfect. Really, really clean. Here on the driver's side, got a scratch right there, a couple rock chips. I don't see any curb rash on the wheel. You just have the little spots every once in a while, kind of on the edges of the spokes. A couple scratches here. Otherwise, that door looks good. Mirror looks awesome. Couple small rock chips on that A-pillar. Otherwise, it's in really good condition. We do have some scratches there. A couple chips on the door edge. We have 2 larger gashes right here and some chips along that edge. Got a chip here. A couple chips there. Overall, that wheel looks good. I don't see any curb rash. And then you can look at the top here. That looks really nice. Then looking in the trunk, got your spare tire with the cover still on it. That sticker still on the carpet there. And then looking at the deck lid here, typical little scuffs and scratches, a couple chips. Do have some flaws in the paint right there. That taillight looks good. Got a chip right here. That taillight looks nice. Marker light's clean. We do have a gash right there. A little transfer mark here. A couple scuffs. Got a gash right there. A couple little chips every once in a while. See some small ones here. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and I am blown away how clean this thing is on the inside. There's really not much to pick apart on this door panel. It looks brand new. Window rolls up and down perfect. That thing looks amazing. Here on the kick plate, got a couple gashes right there. The jamb looks good. That bolster's really nice. These seats look phenomenal. And looking at the bottom here, you have a couple scuffs, but overall looks good. Here on the steering wheel, got a couple scratches, a little bit of wear. That button looks good. The gauge cluster looks perfect, and all of this looks amazing. Shifter looks good. E-brake handle's clean. All right, looking at this door panel, that upper section is pretty much perfect. The window rolls down really easy. I really can't pick apart anything on that panel. It looks awesome. Here on the trim, looks really good. Jambs are clean. And the seats look amazing. Videos don't do this justice. I'll tell you how clean this car is on the inside. It looks awesome. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. Beautiful car. Then looking at the top, looks amazing. It's in really, really good condition. Got a small spot right there. I don't see any rips or tears. A couple tiny scuffs.